Hey travelers, welcome back to Travel Adventure Channel. I'm Jojo, and in today's video we're going to talk about a situation that no one wants to experience, but can happen to the best of us: losing your passport while traveling. Don't panic, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on what to do if you find yourself in this unfortunate situation. Stay calm and double-check. The first rule is to remain calm. Double-check your belongings and retrace your steps. Sometimes passports end up in unexpected places. Report the loss. If you can't find your passport, report the loss to the local authorities and your country's embassy or consulate. This is crucial for your safety and to start the process of getting a new one. Visit the nearest embassy or consulate. Head to the nearest embassy or consulate of your country. Bring any identification you have, like a driver's license or photocopy of your passport if available. They will guide you through the replacement process. File a police report. In many cases, you'll need to file a police report about the lost passport. This is especially important if your passport falls into the wrong hands, helping prevent identity theft. Provide necessary documentation. When at the embassy or consulate, be prepared to provide necessary documentation, such as proof of citizenship, a passport photo, and a travel itinerary. Check with your embassy for specific requirements. Pay the fees. Unfortunately, getting a replacement passport comes with fees. Be ready to pay these fees, which can vary depending on your country and the circumstances of the loss. Temporary travel documents. While waiting for your new passport, the embassy may issue you temporary travel documents. These documents will allow you to return home or continue your travels until your new passport is ready. Contact your airline. Don't forget to contact your airline. They may have specific requirements for travelers without a passport, and they can guide you on how to proceed with your journey. Learn from the experience. Losing a passport can be stressful, but it's also an opportunity to learn. Consider keeping digital copies of important documents and always have a backup plan for emergencies. That wraps up our guide on what to do if you lose your passport during travel. Remember, it's essential to stay calm, act quickly, and follow the necessary steps outlined by your embassy. Safe travels, and I hope you never have to use this advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips on Travel Adventure Channel. Until next time, happy exploring.